the sun elevators. Take it around into the basement, and no, I do not want to eat. These old Montgomerys, or at least in the 1990s.
Dad, no video?
No, that'd be okay. Hey, cat view? These are the sun elevators at the Carle Hospital it's in Urbana, I believe it was. Well, that shakes. This thing shakes. And doors are already closing. Wow, these are pretty quick. I don't know, this thing shakes. Wonder what that was. And we'll go up to one or the tree elevators, which are ThyssenKrupp. Oh, look at that. That's an outlet in an elevator. That's interesting. Oh, those buttons. I have to wait until it tucks all the way open. Let's go out. Right, and these here are the freeloaders. These are the freeloaders. I'm starving. I'm gonna get this one. I believe we're gonna get this one. Yeah, we're getting this one. We're getting this one. It's not stopping. Oh no, it's going down to the basement. Damn it. Okay. This one still is coming too, going down. I think it's just like they're picking up people. Here it is. The basement. The door closed by works. See, a ThyssenKrupp elevator, and look at this cab. Isn't it nice? It's a nice hospital elevator. Of course, these are installed way later than the other ones. Go up to 12. The button does not light up. We may go up to 12. Let's see. Or not. 11. Oh, our 11 works. There's 12 locked. 12 is probably the penthouse. Oh, by the way, there was no fifth floor on this elevator. That's because I don't know what's there. That is Symphony of Dover buzz. The door close button kind of works because it. I'm not sure if it works or just did that. I'm not sure. That is Symphony of Dover buzz, but anyway, I'm picking up people. One.
Me queda la cebolla. ¿Tú vas a ir poniendo cebolla? Pues we were gonna go eat breakfast.
Pero ya comieron.
Okay.
Váyanse ustedes y ahorita les digo que me hagan drop off.
Anyway,
Ándale.
okay, but they said Rose that for an hour they've already been telling her, let's go. Rosie looking close that she wasn't in
Going on. I just got off, but now we're gonna go to. Oh, wow, this is so low. We'll go to B. This panel over on B1. Sorry. I jumped on a new car, and this panel was lower because of, see, a Parkland cab. I don't know what that means. Same cab, and here they have the stainless steel doors, and there's the old floor indicator right there. So. Yeah. This is a very, nice one, I have to say. See, yeah, man, this is